Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the Geodetic coordinate calculator within FieldGenius for Android. So what I've done is I have opened up a sample project here. I'm going to click on Calculations at the bottom, and then within my Calculations menu here I'm going to select my bottom right option, Geodetic. And you can see here that I have several different options. I can choose a source coordinate system, a target coordinate system, a vertical system, and then some coordinates. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is going from the latitude and longitude to UTM 83-11. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter my latitude. Now what I did to get my latitude is I have a PPP report of a point out front of our office, and I'm going to convert that into UTM from my lat and long. So to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in my degrees, minutes, seconds into this latitude field. Now to do that, I got to do a little bit of different notation here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in 51 for my degrees. For my minutes, it is 5. So I'm going to need to put 0.05, so 51 degrees, and then 0.5 minutes. And then I have 3 seconds, so I'm going to go 0, 3, and then I'm going to put all of my decimals here of 8, 5, 6, 7, 4, and you can see that it rounds it a bit, but that is fine as I have set my precision to be 6 decimal points, so I'm going to get the right conversion. For my longitude, I'm going to use the same notation and type that all out here. I'm going to put in my height, and then the last thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to change my vertical system. So right now it is set to the ellipsoid. I actually want to go from my ellipsoid to my HD2 geoid. So I'm just going to change my vertical system here on the right for my target coordinate system from WGS84 to HD2. I'm then going to click on convert here. What that's going to do is you're going to see I get the coordinates now for my UTM 11 point, and I know these points are accurate because I said I was using a PPP point and I already had the UTM coordinates, so I know these ones are good. But for the point of this video, that is how you use the coordinate calculator to convert from lat and long to northing and easting, or from whatever coordinate system to whatever you so desire. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use FieldGenius for Android to convert your coordinates using the Geodetic calculator from one system to another. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.